Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, only the guy from Pittsburgh. And I'm going to try Lean Cuisine Comfort Chicken Parmesan Breaded White Meat Chicken Patty with spaghetti in a chunky tomato basil sauce. 18 grams of protein, 340 calories, 12% fat, 13% saturated fat, 20 milligrams cholesterol, a huge 580 milligrams of sodium. I only use salt on popcorn and salad on tomatoes. Carbohydrate 17%, dietary fiber 14%, total sugars 8%. I don't know why they put sugar in this. 21% protein, vitamin D no, calcium 10%, iron 8%, potassium 15%, and vitamin C 15%. This was $1.98. So I'm going to put the box down. Here is, it's still rather hot. Here's what it looks like. And there is a chicken parmesan patty and the spaghetti. I will try some of the spaghetti first. Kind of tart. The sauce is very tart, almost like they put vinegar in it or something. It's not bad, but it's just tart, like makes you pucker. Tomato is chewy and I would think to be undercooked. Definitely have to chew the tomatoes. And I can taste whatever the spices they put in. I'm not a professional food taster, so I'm not sure what the basil is supposed to taste like because I don't usually pay attention when I make spaghetti. All right, here's the Parmesan chicken. Oddly, not as tangy as the sauce on the spaghetti. You can see the cheese hanging down there. That's good. A little bland. Needs a little sprinkling of salt, but I like it. I put it in for 6.5 minutes, like they said. The edges are a little bit, they're not crunchy, but they're kind of hard. So, okay. I like the chicken Parmesan. So it was too big of a piece to put in my mouth, I'm sorry. Edge pieces are a little bit tough to chew. Maybe if you cook them a little less. Going to finish off the Parmesan here. I hadn't eaten since this morning. Very hungry. Oh yeah, I went to my usual Starbucks after I stopped at C to get a lollipop and my sample milk chocolate butter chew. Starbucks is across the street from the Pete's, and I would go in there for coffee. My lemon cake, it's gone. They've got something next door to it that's now an automatic robotic tea maker. They may or may not have coffee. There's this arm behind a plastic shield. There's a human to watch the place. And they said, we're hiring at $17.50 an hour. I worked the wrong time. And but nobody's making the coffee. It's a robot. And I'm going to have to film that. It's a trip. But maybe when I go over to do Christmas decorations. The lady was very nice, but I looked and I said, man, I'm not, I looked at her and I didn't say it, but I like my coffee made by a human being. I can't tell if the robot's going to make it overly strong or not too strong or too weak or tea or whatever it is. Just robotic coffee just doesn't appeal to me. I'll definitely do a video of that. The robotic coffee and tea place with this giant arm that makes your tea. But there were 4 people in there waiting for their tea or their coffee. There were pastries there and donuts. But it's something X. I didn't catch the name. I'll go in there and see if they let me film the coffee robot. But I like the interaction with the cashier when I go have coffee. And if I have a question or if they screw my coffee up, hey, robot, you didn't make it strong enough. You made it too strong. It's too weak. It doesn't have cream in it. It doesn't have whatever in it. I can't tell a robot not to make the coffee. Not like it's going to talk to me. Oh man, that's tart. It's just too damn tart. The sauce is not the spaghetti. I don't know what's in this. What did they put in this? Tomatoes, wheat flour, semolina, cooked pasta, chicken patty, filtered wheat flour, enriched wheat flour, thiamine, mononitrate, riboflavin, folic acid, whole wheat flour, 2% less Parmesan cheese, wheat gluten, sugar, salt, seasoning, oat fiber, whatever the hell that is, chicken stock, natural flavor, rice starch, onion powder, garlic powder, spice, paprika. That's probably where the kick is, maybe. Natural flavor, dried parsley, tomato juice, tomato puree, soybean oil, basil, modified cornstarch, garlic, salt, potassium, chloride, spices, citric acid, calcium chloride, contains wheat and milk ingredients, made by Nestle. So there it is. All right. Finish this off. Not trying to act like I'm a pig or anything, but I was very hungry and I want to eat this. Fudgy just squeaked at me. It's time for Dad to go to bed. She wants cuddling. And, Rumpole had his wife, she who must be obeyed, and I have Fuzzy, she who must be obeyed. So Fuzzy the cat wants me to go to bed. And who am I to say no to the little cutie Fuzzy cat? I love my Fuzzy. All right, that's it. There's remnants here. Remnants of bits of tomato and bits of sauce and bits of cheese. So, there you go. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I just had the review of the Lean Cuisine Comfort Chicken Parmesan. Chicken Parmesan good, sauce too tangy. Not spicy, but too much of a vinegar type taste to it. Maybe too much tomato sauce or whatever they put in it, paprika, something. It's got a kick to it, but I don't like the kick. So, all right, have a good night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. I hope you're dry and warm out there, and stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.